Hi to all my awesome friends. It's Garden Tour Saturday 2023. Please sit down with your cup of tea and watch what we're going to share. Our wonderful friend Patricia is our co-hostess today for Garden Tour, and she does beautiful garden tours. But we have a special guest also, so make sure you stay tuned and watch. Well, you know what time it is. It's Saturday, and we do Garden Tour Saturday every Saturday. And my co-hostess is Patricia. Oh my. She always shares her beautiful garden with us too. So go over and check out my co-hostess' garden and see what she has to share today. And today, Grandma's going to share hers with you. Sit down with your cup of tea and watch the video, and please check out the playlist for Garden Tour Saturday 2023. Anyone can jump in any Saturday. You can do it every Saturday or once in a while. We love seeing as many beautiful gardens as we can see. So if you have a vegetable garden, a fairy garden, or just a beautiful flower garden, any kind of garden will be fine. Just come and join us for Garden Tour Saturday 2023. And I'm sure you're going to see a lot of Patricia in the future. And as you can see, she always has a smile on her face and a positive attitude, and always shares her beautiful garden with you. So please go over and check out her beautiful garden.
Good morning, Mom, Grandma. Good morning, Grandma. I'm so happy to see you. It's so much fun. I'm so glad you're here. I can't wait to see Alice. Oh, yes, I got up early to make sure I got to see her this morning.
Well, we're happy to see you too. I didn't know Alice was coming this way this morning.
Well, maybe not. But I'm up just in case.
Well, that's good planning on your part. You're ready for whatever comes your way. Well, we're going to go do a garden tour. Do you want to say hi to all my followers?
Hi, everyone. Hi. I'm so happy to see you all here. And I get to be in the garden tour today. I'm so excited. It's so much fun to be in one of Grandma's videos.
Well, we're going to start the garden tour. Bye-bye, my awesome friend. Bye-bye. We'll see you later, I'm sure.
I'm sure we will.